Now, as we can see, we have been able to get the bath blizzard to work. There were a few things that really need to be done in order to really be able to get it going. For one, I ended up having to, we ended up using the cap that comes on the bath blizzard instead of the cap that comes on the holder for the bubble bath. And we made sure that we used that one instead, so there was a little bit more of the stuff in there. Then once it was refilled with water, we made sure to close it up tight, put our finger over that little tiny vent hole that it does have in the middle of the cap, and then we kind of made sure to shake it up real good. Then once we had it going, I kind of took my finger, because I noticed it was kind of dribbling out. You know, we kind of had a little bit of a little dribble of water coming out of it. So I kind of took that and spread it out just with my fingers. It's kind of like this. And what it seems that it does, it has some sort of a little fan blower type of thing in there that aerates it and gets your bubbles coming out. And it kind of uses that cloth as a screen. Seems to work pretty well. We'll see how long this batch lasts. Other than that, I mean, it was a little bit to get broken in, but I have a feeling that once broken in, the bath blizzard is going to be quite a hit in the tub.